Salutations YouTube, itsHadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I'm here in the car with these crazy kids. Are you helping Zach put on his seatbelt?
Yes.
You're such a good big brother.
Honey.
There you go. And we are on our way to school, so let's go. Bye, Zachy.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, I can't even talk anymore. Hey guys, okay, so right now I am kind of trying to fix up this. I want to like display all of my handbags in my collection on this like bookcase area, but like on the top, and then on the bottom I'm going to try and do just like my bags that I'm going to be selling, and then right here just like more of my bags from my collection. So I don't know, we're just gonna work this out because it's kind of like a hot mess everywhere at the moment, so don't judge me. This little baby is requesting egg rolls, right baby? Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, are you gonna do your homework? Let me see your homework. Wow.
I gave him smiley face.
That's beautiful. And mom is over here making egg rolls with Yasmin, who's learning to make egg rolls for the first time.
This is not my first time.
Ever.
I just forget every time.
It's the second time.
The second time.
Forever.
What are you talking about? I've made these before. Multiple.
Alright, we're gonna get some of these fresh egg rolls and we're gonna throw them into the pan. Right, Elizo? How's your homework? Kicker.
Zachary, use the big eraser, please. The nice one.
Okay, they're bubbling, so I forgot to check the oil. That's okay. They're good. Check out my egg rolls. They're looking delicious. Okay, I kind of want to show you guys how it looks so far. So this is like what's behind the sofa. And then I kind of have this going on right here. So all these are going to be, these are all handbags for sale. But I think I kind of want to move them up a little bit too and do a little bit right there. But I wanted that for storage, but I don't know. I'm still trying to decide. Alright you guys, I just got inside the car. We're going to head over to the post office and the Goodwill. But check this out. It is 80 degrees right now. It's so nice outside. It's crazy. Like, last week I was like freezing, and I know it wasn't that cold. It was about like around 50 degrees, but a lot colder than it is now. But we're gonna head over to the post office really quick. It's about 4 o'clock, and then Goodwill, and then back to the house and finish cleaning my room. So I really want to do that today. That's like my mission in life, is to finish like cleaning and organizing. It's actually I think I'm doing a pretty good job organizing and cleaning everything inside my room and putting all the bags away. It's definitely not enough space, but maybe after a sale or two, as long because I'm always replenishing, and every time I replenish, like I get like a lot of stuff, and then when I sell it all, like a lot of it goes away, but then I replenish some more, and it's just like a never-ending cycle. And I think I just need like a good amount of space to keep everything. And I don't ultimately I want to do all inside the garage. I keep almost everything inside the garage and have like my organization over there. But right now, before I get the garage cleaned up and everything, I don't want to just like live inside all these handbags. I want to be able to walk around my room properly, and like not just have everything in bags. Like I want to have everything out so I can see them, and that way it's a lot easier to photograph things too when I'm not like going back and forth, because I have stuff like stored in the garage, just like I put them in boxes and stuff, but it's just like a hot mess. So it's a lot easier having a lot of things out. And I think like right now, in my room I can get like a good portion of everything, maybe like 75%, maybe not 75, maybe 50, maybe 65%. I don't know, we'll see, because I still have space, but I haven't brought everything out. I just want to see as much like how much I can fit in that bookcase right now, and kind of figure it out. And I have like a big tub too, full of bags in my closet, but I'm not really gonna worry too much about that. I really just want to get everything out of the garage, and that was just like or like in bags in my room, like onto the shelves. I think that's like my main goal, is to get as much of that stuff on shelves as possible. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna head out, and then I'll show you guys the room kind of like when I get it more fixed up. So let's go. Alright guys, we just got to the Goodwill. I'm super excited. Let's go inside and see what they have today. They have a fake Prada backpack. It's like so dirty inside. What is that? 20 bucks. This looks like Ferragamo print. Oh, stop. This is like authentic. This is like a vintage Ferragamo for sure. How much are they asking? 25 is not too shabby. Let's look at the rest of this. Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna pass because these corners are kind of torn up, so I don't know though. Might not get it. Alright, now I'm checking out the rest of the store, looking at these home good things. Silver plated 3-piece heart dresser set, Victorian bouquets, exclusively from Godinger. Oh, these are like silver plated. Interesting. Not like too excited. I know Godinger is like a pretty good brand. Oh, look, an American flag. Ooh, I hope they have another cool planter for me today. Yesterday they had that super cool turtle, which I was so happy about. Zach is like already obsessed. This is actually super cool. Like, I don't even know what this is for. What is this? Like, what do you put in here? Okay, if you guys know what this is, let me know. This cool, like this is cool too. It's like a fish, made in China, decorative purposes only. It's a little like not really my colors right now. This is cool too. Made in Japan. This would actually be cool if you coupled it with like this fish thing. And then you would just need like maybe something else. I don't know, it's a lot of brown though. Do you guys ever feel yourselves like styling the store? I always feel like I want to like put stuff that goes together. I'm probably just crazy. Alright, let's look at the glassware. See if there's anything exciting. This flower bowl is kind of cool. This is kind of cool too. It has like, are those either cherries or olives? Oh, this is really nice. Like the glass is super clear. It's a fun floral shape. Let's see what else we have here. This is kind of cool. Treasure Island. It's a glass skull mug. Very cool. Pirate skull. Uh-oh. It's the mugs. My weakness. Oh my gosh, what is this? Designed by Andrea West for Sigma, the Taste Setter? What are these things? I have no clue what these are. Oh my gosh, they're like nesting dolls. You guys, I am so into these fake flowers right now. Especially this color. This is like, they're so pretty. Alright guys, I'm back inside the car. Sorry about the light. I'm like, the sun is like right here and I have like the visor down. But I didn't end up getting the Ferragamo bag because the corners had like, they were too torn. I didn't really feel like honestly fixing or trying to fix them or anything, just because they were really damaged. So I kind of left it. And then there was that other, there was like a black coach there that wasn't in horrible condition. It was like pretty good, but then in the back pocket they had like like, I don't know, toothpicks or like some kind of wooden skewers sticking in there, like it was like voodoo. So I was like, no, this bag has bad juju, so I didn't want to get that. I should have shown you guys what it looked like inside. It was like a hot mess. They had that fake Prada backpack. Really the only gem in there was that Ferragamo, and I wish that I could fix the corners of it, but that was like too involved. I would probably sell it as is, but I don't know, just if anyone wants it, let me know, and then I'll come back tomorrow and check it out and see if it's still here. But yeah, it was a cute bag though. Like I enjoyed the print. It did look like a little bit like Coach, so that was my only thing. But that bag was definitely vintage and pretty cool. And yeah, but right now let's go back to the house. I do want to just finish cleaning my room, because that is just like, I can't live like that anymore. It's just like too much. Plus like right now it's even worse because yeah, let's clean. Okay guys, so right now I'm actually going to clean up the kitchen. There's some dishes, I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. And John's still at school, so I think I'm gonna leave this soup out for him. If I could find the lid. Sorry, I'm going around in a circle. I'm sure you guys are dizzy. Sorry about that. Just dumped it in there. Put that back. Yeah, oh my gosh. So, Eliza was so funny. He like finished almost all the macaroons. He's like so obsessed with them. And I feel like they're actually like the kids really like them better without the filling. So that's how mom's been making them, just the caps. So I'm gonna call them macaroon caps. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back in my room and I'm pretty much done with, okay, so let me just show you this. This is kind of how I'm having this right now. I really just wanted to fit as many bags here as possible. I am gonna try and like do some more things with it like decoratively, but I'm trying to just make it more functional than decorative at the moment. And then let me pan up and then down right here, because so those are like, all these bags are like, the bags are like in my personal collection, including those baskets that have like my small leather goods and small like pouches and bags and stuff. And then down here, all of this stuff for sale. I still have more things I haven't brought out here yet, but I'm just gonna do that in the morning. I have to work on my videos for tomorrow, and then what else was I gonna do? I forgot what else I was gonna do. I had to do something. I'll remember though. But yeah, gotta do all that stuff still. And tomorrow, oh, I do want to photograph stuff tonight too. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do any. I'm gonna try to do a couple at least. But I have a lot of handbags that I have to put up for sale. And I know a lot of you guys have been messaging me about it, but I've just been so busy. I've just wanted to get like so much stuff done. So I just had to like get other stuff done before I did any bags and stuff up in the shop. So I apologize for the inconvenience about all that. But yeah, and yeah, I don't know, my brain is like running a million miles a second. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. I had so much fun. We didn't get anything at the Goodwill today, which is totally fine. I was totally thinking about getting that Ferragamo bag. It was pretty cute. Like, I liked the pattern of it and everything, but just like those torn corners just really got to me. Though I know like they weren't the most super obvious thing, because I had to like really look at it before I even noticed that it had like the tears on both sides, and only one side was actually really bad. So I don't know, if anyone's interested in it, I can pick it up. But hopefully we'll see some more really cool stuff tomorrow. Of course, I'm going to be going over to the Goodwill tomorrow as well. And oh, I have to run a couple errands tomorrow too. So, yeah. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, and tune in tomorrow for a new video. Love you guys so much. See you guys then. Look at this bag, you guys.